Okay, let's start. We are doing fill in the gaps with clue. That means close test with clues. So we are in number 13 and 14. This is why your homework. I think you have done successfully. We start from 13, right? So let's start 13. Look at the words first. Shelter. Shelter is a noun. What does it mean?
Sir, আশ্রয়স্থল.
Ashroy. Bangla meaning ashroy. English meaning similar meaning.
Sir, Ashroy.
Ashroy. English meaning refuge. R-E-F-U-G-E. R-E. Write down the word. Shelter means R-E-F-U-G-E. Refuge means shelter.
Sir, আমার কথা শোনা যায়?
Yes, I can hear. Listen.
হ্যাঁ.
You're audible enough. Shelter, refuge is a noun. Next one, man. It's known to you. Carbon dioxide is gas you know best. Superlative degree of good, rich, money. Them. The pronoun is known to you. Two is also known as the preposition. The article timber, cut, wood. Similar meaning is wood, timber. This also is a pronoun. It can be an adjective. Trees, got, main. Main means prime. P-R-I-M-E, prime. It's an adjective. P-R-I-M-E, prime. It's an adjective. So these are the words. We got the meanings. Now let's start the text. There are so many trees and plants in Bangladesh. Trees are very useful to man. Useful means necessary, right? Useful is an adjective. It means necessary,
Yes, sir.
important. They protect. Protect means
Sir,
protect is about what does it mean? Protect means
Sir,
save.
নিরাপত্তা দান করে।
Protect means save. S-A-V-E, save. Protect. Protection is a noun. Safety is a noun. Protect is a verb. Save. Protect. Right? Write down the words. What meaning? So protect, save. The dash to a number?
Sir, main.
Sir, timber topsoil.
No. Topsoil. Dash topsoil.
Main.
The main topsoil. The main topsoil from being washed away by rainwater and flood. You can see just being planted. B number?
Trees.
Trees. B number trees, right.
Trees.
Good answer. B number trees being planted along mountain slopes, on roadsides and in parks. They add life. C number?
2.
Two. They add life to a place with many colorful flowers, beautiful leaves and fruits. And this topic is very much important, you know. And they provide means give.
Shelter.
They provide the dish to birds, the shelter, right? Shelter. They provide the shelter to birds and animals.
Yes, sir.
Birds and animals. And they give us
Timber.
good, very good. Timber, medicine, paper.
Sir, timber
etc.
মানে কি?
Timber মানে কাঠ, wood.
কাঠের গুড়ি.
W-O-O-D,
timber মানে
wood. Timber মানে কাঠ, বাংলা meaning কাঠ, English meaning wood. Medicine, paper, etc. They take in
Carbon dioxide.
carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. You know that just needs oxygen
Man.
to breathe. Men, right? Men needs oxygen to breathe and live. They supply us
These. বা these.
they supply us dash oxygen, this oxygen. This oxygen, right? They supply this oxygen. It's number this. It's an adjective here. Trees are our best friends. I number.
Best friends.
Best friends. We should protect
Them.
them and try to plant more trees around us. Good. Next one. Number 14. Come to here again. 14 number. Isolated. I think that you have done this. Huh? You have done this successfully now. Come to number 14 again. Isolated means ekaki. Bangla meaning ekaki.
Remote.
L-O-N-E. Lonely. Lonely or alienated. A-L-I-E. N-A-T-E-D. Alienated. Lonely, isolated, alienated. Adjective. These are adjectives. Isolated, lonely, alienated. Write down the words quickly. Isolated adjective, lonely adjective, alienated adjective. These are adjectives. So write down the meanings. Vacation. Vacation meaning? Do you have any meaning?
Chuti.
Chuti. Similar meaning? It's a new word. Respite.
Sir, holiday.
Respite means vacation. Okay. Respite means vacation. Write down the word. Similar meaning to this. Vacation is a noun. Respite is a noun. All these are vacation. Mane chuti. Noun these are. Respite. R-E-S-P-I-T. Respite. R-E-S-P-I-T. Respite. Okay. Next one. In is a preposition. You know. It can be an adverb also. Suffering, costo, pain. Suffering, costo, pain, costo. Pangs also similar to this. Pangs, P-A-N-G-S, pangs. Suffering, P-A-N-G, pangs. Pangs also sufferings. Pangs, separate means it's a verb, you know. What does it mean? Separate?
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Wa alaikum salam. Separate meaning?
Sir, alada kora.
Alada kora. Separate means alada kora. Similar meaning? Distinguish. Isolate or distinguish. D-I-S-T-I-N-G-U-I-S-H. Distinguish. Or isolate also similar to this. Pathakya kora, china. Separate. Illiterate. Without literacy, knowledge, or any kind of education is called illiterate. Those do not have any knowledge or education particularly, are called illiterate. Great. It has different contexts. Different meanings. Great can be large, vast. Great can be noble. Mohak. Society, Samaj. It's a noun. Flood. Bonna, we got the word previously. Bonna, flood. Similar meaning, inundation. I-N-U-N-D-A-T-I-O-N, inundation. Flood, inundation is a noun. Flood, inundation. It can be a verb also. Flood basically is a noun. It can be also verb. It can be also verb. It can be also a verb. So flood, inundation. It's a noun here. Native means you got the meaning. For the EFT, right? Native. Local is an adjective.
Sir, heritage.
Native, no. Local, staniyo. Native heritage is not similar. So native means local, staniyo. Native, local. It's an adjective. These are adjective. Native. Next one. People is known to you, I think. Raising. Growing. Students should not distance themselves from society. Should not
Separate.
Good. Separate themselves from society. They can serve that society.
Sir, in many ways.
In many ways. Good answer. In many ways. Here, service is of
Great.
importance. Good. Great. এখানে হচ্ছে পরিমাণ বোঝাচ্ছে amount. Great importance to the society. During their number.
Vacation.
During vacation, they should go to their native village. They can educate the dash.
Illiterate.
Good. During flood, they can remove the dash of the flood. Suffering. The flood affected.
Sir,
Suffering.
People.
Suffering of the flood affected people by raising fund as they live in
society.
Good. Well said. Well done. Very good. We can move to the next one. Okay, now start doing 15. The others. To number 15. You are getting a few minutes to do this, to complete this, okay? So do this within a few minutes. 15 number. Look at number 15. Do this. We have completed after 14, now 15. Okay, start doing this. It's comparatively easy. You will get the easy words here, I think. The topic is honesty. About honesty, important topic, you know.
Sir, done.
Yes, done. The others,
Yes,
what's about the others? Labib,
Sir,
Abdul.
we need a little bit more time.
Okay, let's start 15. Look at the words first. In is again, we've got the word again. In is a preposition, you know, it can be a verb also. Honest. Honest means sincere. Suffers means to face the pain. Suffers, cost of power. A is an article, you know. Blessed means, blessed is an adjective. Blessed is a verb. Blessed is an adjective. Meaning, can anybody tell us blessed meaning?
Sir, Ashirvad.
Ashirvad push to have. English meaning? E-N-D-O-W-E-D. Endowed. Blessed means endowed. Blessed means endowed. It's an adjective. These are adjectives. Write down the words. Meanings. These are adjectives. Endowed. Virtue. Virtue means it's a noun. Q-U-A-L-I-T-Y. Quality.
Quality.
Virtue is a quality. It means quality. Virtue, quality. It's a noun. All you know, it can be a pronoun. Peace. It's a noun. Peace. What does it mean?
Sir, Shanti.
Shanti, harmony. Peace, harmony. Shanti. Even, among is an adverb. Among ki. It is known to you. Hated. Hate means
Grina.
Ghina kora, hate. Similar meaning? G-R-E-U. D-G-E-D. Grasped. Hated means grasped. Grasp means hate. Hated, grasped. Hate is a root word. Hated adjective. Grasped. G-R-U-D-G-E-D. Grasped. Or dislike, somewhat dislike also similar. Dislike to almost similar to this. Almost similar to this. Disliked. Hated. But it's a, normally it's a kind of conjunction. Subordinating, coordinating conjunction. You know, but is a coordinating conjunction. Okay, let's start the text. Honest is a great virtue. A number virtue. The man who possesses virtue. The man who possesses possesses
If.
Sir, eat.
this.
Sir, eat হবে তো?
Eat. So eat is here. It possesses it is said to be
Blessed.
honest. Honest. Good. He is respected by all and hated by none. See number E number. A dishonest man cannot.
Even.
No? Even. Good. Even a dishonest man cannot but respect him. Cannot but respect him. Endowed with, got the meaning is here. Here is the word endowed, means blessed. Endowed with a clear conscience. Another important word. Do you know what does it mean? Conscience.
Vivek.
Yes, you got the word in class 7. Can you remember morality shop? There was the word conscience. Vivek. Very, very and very much important word. Conscience. Because people, men, human beings lack this quality very much. এই জিনিসটা নেই এখন conscience বিবেক নেই বিবেক is dying conscience is dying conscience মারা যাচ্ছে people are lacking this people are disregarding this so we are facing a kind of sterility in the morality in the aspect of morality of human beings right in the present society human beings are lacking this conscience vivek nahi we are heading to a very kind of great destruction you know So conscience, Vivek. He enjoys just of mind.
Sir, peach.
Peace of mind, good. It's not peace of mind. Though he dares at times,
Suffers.
at times, he succeeds.
In.
Sorry,
In the long run, Poriname, in the long run, and becomes happy. Becomes happy. Next one, number 16.
Number 16.
Start doing this. Okay, done, complete, no? Number 16. Come to 16 now. Fifth form is a preposition, you know. In is a preposition. Home is common word, you know. Family is also known to you. Family is a very easy word. Family. Next one is a. It's an article. There is a pronoun. It can be an adjective. To, out. These are very easy words. Complete. Complete means finishing. Completing, finishing. Easy word also. Clearly. Clearly means. Clear is an adjective. Clearly advanced. Huh? Clearly.
পরিষ্কার ভাবে
পরিষ্কার ভাবে similar meaning.
Swiftly.
Clearly means
Swiftly.
not safe, not clearly is not similar to safely.
Smoothly.
Not smoothly.
Neatly.
Not neatly. Transparently. P-A-R-E-N-T-L-Y. Transparent. Transparent means clear. एकदम clear. So clearly adverb, transparently clear. Similar meaning. Transparent is an adjective, clearly adjective. Clearly adverb, transparent. Transparent. Okay, come to the text. Moinul Islam is a qualified farmer in Nouga. Mr. Islam was very brilliant as a student. Right, as a student. He took his higher education
From.
Bangladesh Agriculture University in Mymensingh. After
Completing
his higher education, Moinul came back
home.
Good. And started advanced farming. Advanced means it's an adjective.
Sir,
Unnat actually. Advanced, up to date.
Specialized.
Upgraded. Developed, right? Farming. He has two other brothers who are graduates. Graduates in their shit. Graduate means
Different.
Sir, different areas.
Graduate meaning. Can you understand? Can you have the meaning, sense of graduate?
স্যার যারা গ্র্যাজুয়েট
But graduate the key. What is this? Graduate the key.
যারা
You're not clear, I think. Okay, so let me clear it up. গ্রাজুয়েট হচ্ছে অনার্স ও বিএ ডিগ্রি
BA
কমপ্লিটিং যারা কমপ্লিট করে যারা বিএ or honors degree they are called graduates. Okay, and MA is called MA is called postgraduate. Someone said MA is a postgraduate degree. A graduate degree up to or doing honors or BA honors degree holders are called graduates. And upper or graduates from MS honors is coming. So graduate means the person doing or having a BA degree for graduates, and postgraduate are those who complete MA or equivalent degrees, right? So graduates in dash areas, different areas. The speciality, special particular, speciality of the Islam family is that they all are living in
their village, sir.
Their village, and all have fame in their own fields, right? Here field means
sectors.
কোন ক্ষেত্র? মাঠ বোঝাচ্ছে field.
Sector,
good, sector, very good. His younger brother just is
who
is a Russian University graduate, is a science teacher in a local school. Number 17. We have done successfully, alhamdulillah, 16 now, 17. Start doing 17, we have enough time to do 2 or 3 more, inshallah. So start doing 17 now.
Complete, sir.
Complete, na? Good. Number 17, good, very good. Crisis means it is different meanings, you know. Crisis, one meaning can be lack, crisis, that means lack.
Sir, calamity.
Another meaning is calamity or problem, crisis, or critical condition. Crisis, one meaning is lacking or lack, one meaning. Another meaning, crisis, calamity, or critical condition, right? So different meanings it carries, you know. We'll see the context and find out the meaning. Vital, another important is an adjective, vital.
Important,
good, vital, important. Climate, you know, I gave the meaning previous, you know, text, you know. Climate, jolobayu. Ecology, vastu samsthan, the condition of the weather. Ecology, various, different. Random means
অধিক পরিমাণে
indiscriminate. Random means indiscriminate, without any decision. Indiscriminate, random, indiscriminate. Natural means normal, usual. One meaning is. Another meaning related to nature, prakriti. Without mane chhara, you know, it's a preposition, you know. Economy means
অর্থনীতি,
বাণিজ্য।
ইকোনমি হচ্ছে অর্থনীতি, ফাইন্যান্স। ইকোনমি it's a noun. Then desert,
মরুভূমি,
good. Rain, বৃষ্টি. Ruin, another important word, ruin, very much important. What does it mean? Ruin is a verb which can be a noun.
Yes.
Ruin is a verb which can be a noun. Ruin means destroy. ধ্বংস করা, ruin, destroy. Important word, demolish. DEMOLISH. Demolish also similar meaning. Ruin, demolish, destroy, demolish. Now come to the text. Trees are our constant companions in our day-to-day life. Constant means, constant is an adjective. It means continuous. CONTINUOU. Continuous. NUOUS. Constant means continuous. Constants mean continuous. Constant companions, Shongi, in our day-to-day life, mate. Components made, day-to-day life. We use them for this purposes.
Various.
Yes.
For various
Various.
purposes. Various is an adjective, right? Purpose means objective or aim or need.
Reason.
Purpose means objective or aim. Objective, aim, or need. Purpose, objective, aim, or need. Noun, these are noun. We cannot think, can't think of our homes, residences, etc. Dash trees.
Without trees.
Without trees.
Without.
Without, right. Trees bear a great impact. Impact means? Impact is a noun.
Damage.
Nah, impact.
Sir, এটা হচ্ছে
Effect.
effect, right?
Impact means effect. E-F-F-E-C-T, effect. Impact. Result, R-E-S-U-L-T. Consequence also, C-O-N-S-E. Q-U-E-N-C, consequence. All these are similar to impact. Effect, result, consequence. Effect, result, consequence. Impact. Write down all these words, important. These words very much important for you. Write down this very seriously. So impact on the
Climate.
Ecology.
trees bear a great impact on the climate. Ecology maybe use
Climate.
later. Maybe use later. On the climate. If we destroy trees at
Random.
random. One day the country will turn into a great
Desert.
desert. Again there will be no
Rain.
Trees.
Rain.
and as a result the country will face a great
Crisis.
crisis. Good.
Crisis.
Great crisis because ours is an agricultural country and our dash is dependent.
Economic.
Economy is dependent on agriculture. Again, our agriculture is dependent on rain. So trees play a
Vital.
vital role on our climate. Good. Trees keep the soil strong. Trees save us from flood and many other
Natural calamities.
natural calamities.
Natural.
Yes. And all these are created by one creator, So these are important things. Okay. Now, can we finish start number 18? And I think that we will be able to finish it inshallah in time. Start doing 18. It may be the last one today. Do number 18 as soon as possible.
Sir, done.
Done. Very good.
Sir, আমি ব্রেক না নিয়ে করছি এজন্য।
What about the others?
Done.
Also done. Good. Anto done. Adyan done. Mutasim. Fardin Islam done. Okay, come to 18. Should we start 18? Can we start 18 now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start. Sports is a noun is a noun, Sports is a noun, it means games. Venice is a renowned city of Italy. Paper is a common word to you. Page of paper. Various means different, you got the meaning earlier and you know it. Educated means learn it. Educated means learn it. Newspaper, paper which carries news. Reading, the present participle with read. First, প্রথম বোঝায় old, পুরাতন antique. I gave the meaning previously. Old. প্রাচীন। Was is a verb, single. Single means alone, only, single. A dash is the storehouse of knowledge.
A newspaper.
A newspaper is a storehouse of knowledge.
Newspaper.
By the newspaper, by
Reading.
reading newspaper,
Reading.
we can enrich your knowledge. Enrich means it's a verb of rich. সমৃদ্ধ করা.
Sir.
Enrich means সমৃদ্ধ করা.
Improve.
Enrich our knowledge. Improve.
Develop.
And this man of modern age, and
Educated.
Educated.
an educated man of modern age cannot go without a
Educated.
newspaper for
For a single day.
a
Single
single
day.
day. Good. The history of newspaper is
Sir.
Old.
old, right? Old. Yeah. The first newspaper was brought out in
Venice.
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 Sir, Venice.
The Indian Gazette was the
First.
Sir.
first
First.
newspaper in our subcontinent. What does the word mean, subcontinent?
Bigger
Uttar
than a
Bangla.
country and smaller than a
Subcontinent.
continent.
Right, part of continent, smaller than a continent. Upamahadesh. The Samachar Darbhan was the first Bangla newspaper.
Was.
There are
various.
There are
Various.
various kinds of newspaper like the dailies, the weeklies, the monthlies, periodicals, and so on. There are weeklies for children and women, and also quarterlies about
Sports.
sports. Good.
Sports.
There
Sports.
are cinema newspaper too. Okay, so up to 18 we have done today. So you have done very tremendously well. Alhamdulillah, you got the answers. Next, we can do, or at home, you can do 8, 19, 20, 21. These three can be your homework or home task you can do at home. Next class, we will, inshallah, we will solve this. 19, 20, 21. Okay? 19,
Okay, sir.
20, and 21. No question, no query. All okay, okay? So you go to syllabus, look at the syllabus and go through the U text and composition part very minutely, seriously, that you can do well in the exam, okay?
Sir, syllabus এ ফার্স্ট পার্ট অনেক কম লাগে না স্যার?
Syllabus first part কম লাগে। হ্যাঁ, একটু কমই
First-
minimize করা হয়েছে তোমার syllabus। So that
Okay,
you can
sir.
do well in the exam. You can go through with a limited time, very fruitfully. So the syllabus has been made somewhat little for your convenience.
স্যার সিকিউ পার্ট কি থাকবে?
Hmm?
স্যার সিকিউ পার্ট থাকবে?
CQ